Messed up face. My wife is actually to blame for this because she's always putting little creams and ointments on my face, and I'm finding out today that the stuff she's using is not really made for my mug. Alyssa Chasen is a skin coach. I love that. And she's also the owner of Skin Fit Austin down there, 2300 South Lamar. And a lot of guys don't really do a lot to take care of their face, and sometimes their woman does start putting things on them.
Right.
And she shouldn't be putting her stuff.
Well, it is different. I mean, men's skin is completely different from women's. Men's skin is more oily than women's, and it's also more sensitive.
We are more sensitive in one way.
Yes.
In one way.
But also, it's, when the acne presents itself, it tends to be more in the teens and early 20s, whereas a lot of women start having their acne problems after we have kids and towards menopause. So our skin is completely different. Also, it's what we're willing to do is completely different.
Right, because you all actually take care of your skin, and you know how to take care of it. Most guys, I don't think of this. We talked about this. You've got 5 steps lined up out here that we should be doing, and we only do this one.
Probably, yes.
Okay, we're only cleansing. That's all we're doing.
And you personally are only cleansing.
Yes, that's all I ever do. Is just, you wash your face.
We'll work on that.
And you're supposed to wash your face with something that's different than what a woman washes her face.
Right. Well, one of the things about male skin is that a foaming gel-based wash is really perfect because it's not too stripping. Whereas women, we tend to like to bring the spa experience home. And I really like this one a lot because it's a pumpkin lactic cleanser. It smells like pumpkin pie, and you feel like you're at the spa.
And then we never get to this step, but you all do.
Yes, we're really good.
I don't even know what it is. It's exfoliating.
It's exfoliate.
Okay.
Exfoliate.
So you're trying to take that dead skin off.
Right. You're trying to take that top layer of dead skin off, not only to smooth out your skin, but also it helps these next products actually penetrate better.
What do we do at number 3 then?
Number 3 is vitamins, and this is something that most people skip, male and female, and it's unfortunate.
I would never think to put vitamins on my face.
Vitamin A and vitamin C, it's what keeps us young and firm.
You can tell I haven't thought about that. So women use 2 products here, but men, of course, we only want 1.
We're going to make it easy for you. So we'll do the combination product for you.
So put vitamins on your face. It'll make you look younger.
Yes, it will.
I might have to get that from you later.
Okay.
What's this last one?
This is for treating acne.
Okay.
And again, because of the difference in when acne occurs between men and women, there are different acne treatments. Benzoyl peroxide gel is great for oily teen acne. Whereas a mandelic acid I love because not only does it treat hormonal acne, but it also lightens red spots after the acne lesions have healed.
And last but not least down here.
Sunscreen. And this is where I say just find a sunscreen that you will wear and wear it. That's the hardest part, I think. I really like this one for men because I think most men don't like sunscreen because it's too heavy on their skin.
Or it stinks, or it's oily, or
it's white, yes. And this one is a really good one. There's non-oily, non-whitening. It's matte finish.
And talk about keeping you looking younger. You wear sunblock, and it's going to keep a lot of that damage away over the years. And men have a higher incidence of skin cancer.
They sure do. They sure do. And that's something to consider. So hopefully we can get you guys on board. For women, I really like mineral makeup for sunscreen. And that's something that we forget is that, like, for instance, this Mineralogy, it has an SPF of 26. It's a loose
so it's already
powder.
built in.
It's already built in, and this can actually be custom blended to the woman's skin tone. So it's looks good on them.
Well, man or woman, she does personal consultations. She'll help you take care of your skin down there. She's a skin coach, after all. I love the title. And she'll help you find the right products for you. All you have to do is look up this segment at weareaustin.com. It's in the Austin Live section, and we even have the article that she's written on men's skin. You know, you have to bone up on this stuff, guys, so that you'll look really good. Thanks for coming on.
Thank you.